you about to do, Zorry?
Push this thing up.
And what you gonna fly?
The airplane.
Okay, you almost ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. Hold on. Hold on. Don't do it yet.
Oh.
All right, push it down.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you ready, Zorry?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Push it. You push it up?
Yeah.
Point it toward it.
Huh?
Point it down. Watch it. Push it up. Why you stop? Push it up, Zorry. Point it back down. Push it up. All right, come down. Come down. Give me here. Yeah. Hold the phone. There it go. Where'd it go? Oh. Yeah, hold the phone. Hold the phone.
But I wanted to fly it.
I did let you try. The phone is on. Put it towards. You ready?
Yeah, birdies.
There you go. I can feel it. Yeah, I do it.
It looks like a little fly. This is what's past me. Can I fly it now?
You gotta go back to. All right, come over here.
Okay. This is a great adventure.
Remember, you gotta push it up, right? You left it in?
Huh?
All right, go ahead. Come push it down, push it up. There you go.
Oh!
That's all. You have to keep it up. You can't push it down.
I did it. All right, you ready?
All right, go ahead. Go.
Push it back down.
And then push it up. Point toward it. There you go. Push it down.
Okay. It's done.
All right, do it again. Go ahead. Don't get too close. I don't want it to bite you. Go up, helicopter. Gotta charge it.
Oh, that's the turret?
Yeah.
Turret?
If you want to. All right, helicopter later.